Hey friends, Wayne over at the Ram Man. Hey, here's some helpful information. We're getting ready to send out some locking hubs today. I'll show you. Now this is 125 of 23. So this is just for today. So we've got 2 A hubs going out and 2 B hubs going out. When people get the U-joints, see, up through 2008, you have to replace the stub shafts. On 2009 and up, it's just the hub. So, anyway, people that go ahead and get the upgrade, get the U-joints with their kit, we ship these Moog Super Strengths in here. I go ahead and install the U-joints in the stub shafts to make it easier for some people. And that's, of course, what I'm doing right now, is putting some U-joints in here for some people. Because these are going out today. Get my real hammer. So that's what we do. So if you go ahead and get new U-joints, that's what we'll do. We'll stick them bad boys in for you. So you don't have to fool with it too much. And it's easy enough. It's not too difficult for me, especially when you've done them a bunch of times. Now, I ain't never seen anybody said they love to do U-joints, but when you get fairly good at it, it ain't too bad. There we go. So we got 4 shafts going out to 2 different clients with new U-joints and such. So if you upgrade and get the U-joints, we'll stick them in for you. Remember now, only through 2008 you have to change the stub shafts. On 2009 up, 2500, 3500, 4500, and 5500, you just sliding on a new bearing hub. That's all you're doing. Just sliding on a new bearing hub. God bless you. God bless America. And happy trucking. Bye.